Hello friends! Now I would like to show you how to record an object disappearance animation in 3ds Max. The renderer can be any, it doesn't matter. Let's select our object, right click, go to object properties and set it to 0. Right here, invisibility that is, it's visibility. It will become invisible. Let's move for example to frame 35. Press Auto key, right click, go to object properties and this time set visibility to 1. You see these red squares appeared around it. That means it has been recorded. Okay, and the object became visible. Let's see what we've got. Burn, and it gradually becomes visible. In the middle, let's do a render and see. Yes! It looks like glass because it was originally chrome. That's it! I showed you how to record an object's disappearance animation.